Hello students, welcome to another beautiful day of class, and we are in the last week of August. Today is Monday, August 23rd, 2020, and we are almost finishing this month. Are you excited? We are going to start a new month next week. So, today in our language class, we are going to continue learning about direct and indirect quotation. And I hope you are fine at home. Please keep safe. I'm asking you, I'm praying for you to God and asking Him for protection to you and yours. So let's go to our books of language, and we're going to work on page 77. So please open your language books on page 77. And here we have some sentences. What you're going to do is that you're going to place a check mark in the sentence with direct quotation. What does that mean? That if you have a sentence with indirect quotation, you are not going to write anything, just if the sentence has direct quotation. What does that mean? That you are going to write just a check mark inside the sentence that have quotation marks and are the person exactly words. Remember, direct quotation are a person exactly words, and is the person telling exactly what he said. So here we have, for example, sentence number 1. I would like a bowl of pork. A bowl of pork, say that. So that means that are exactly words of that. And also here, as you can notice, we have here quotation marks. So do you think this sentence is an example of direct quotation? Yes or no? Yes, sure. So we are going to place a check mark. Why? Because are the exact words of that. And also we have here direct quotation that's indicating us that is a direct quotation. Number 2. Indiana produces more popcorn than any other state. What do you think? Is this one an example of direct quotation? Yes or no? No, it is not. Why? Because here we don't have quotation marks. It is just a person talking about what Indiana does. But it is not exactly words of one person from Indiana, for example. So we are not going to put anything there. We are just going to leave like that. Okay, like this one. Now, number 3. Leo said, I love popcorn. What do you think? Yes, it is an example of direct quotation. Why? Because here is telling us that Leo said, so are Leo said words. Yes, we're going to place a check mark here. And you're going to continue doing the same with number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. On number 4, have you ever made caramel corn? Asked Mom. So it is a question that Mom is asking. Have you ever made caramel corn? And we have here quotation marks. Remember that quotation marks are punctuation. So we're going to place a check mark here also. Number 5. Mrs. Nichols said that she has a recipe for caramel corn, but are not Mrs. Nichols' exact words. So this one, it is not an example of direct quotation. Number 6. I heard Pastor say that his favorite snack is cheese popcorn? What do you think? Yes or no? No, because are not exact words of what pastor said, and also here I'm missing the quotation marks. The last one, number 7. I'm sure glad Indiana grows all of that popcorn, exclaimed Leo. Yes, we have here quotation marks and are the exact word of Leo. So I hope you understand everything during this class today. The rest of the page is homework. Exercise thing B and exercise thing C are homework. So please complete your task. You're going to complete thing B and remember C by yourself. That's your homework for today's class. See you until next class. Bye.